Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you this Vauxhall Vectra 2007 on an 07 1800 design, 121,000 miles, 5 owners from new. I'm just going to get an MOT on the car, so you'll have 12 months MOT. This is how the car has arrived in. So all we've done is just give it a quick wash. And it looks like it is a bit of a quick wash, but anyway, there you go. Taking down the line of the car. There's nothing absolutely mega on the car at all. Lacquer's going on that wheel there. Down the line of the car here. The car will have a proper wash by the time it's finished, but I just thought I'd get it up on the net and see what interest we've got. Again, no bumper scuffs. It's actually in really good condition. 215s, 55 16s are the wheels. No bumper scuffs, no. It's actually a real honest, as I said, 5 owner 1800 5-speed box design, and it'll have 12 months MOT on it with no advisories. So there you go. So I'll take you in the inside now, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. Good look round it. This is exactly the way it came in. Exactly. So 1800. Driver's side, front door card, electric windows all round, electric door mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, stereo, 5-speed box. There's the seat. It's got half leather, half cloth. It's got still got the original mats in it. And as I said, this is how the car came in. So we'll just give it a quick wash on the outside. All the seats seems to be in good condition, as you can tell. Boot space, all the boot rubbers are all good. No real significant marks there. The carpet is in good order. Passenger side rear door card, as I said, electric windows all the way around. It's the top spec, the design, 1800 design. It was registered the 19th of the 6th, 2007. Got all the piano black inserts. Here's the seats again, as you can see. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, please give us a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.